Have you ever wondered if there's another version of you somewhere in the universe? Perhaps a you who made a different decision and is living a completely different life. The theory of the multiverse suggests that there could be infinite parallel universes, each with a different version of the reality we know. Today, on Universe, we're diving into this intriguing idea and exploring what it means for our understanding of the cosmos and ourselves. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew. What is the multiverse theory? The idea of the multiverse comes from physics and cosmology, where some theories suggest that our universe is not the only one. Instead, it might be one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics, structures, and realities. The multiverse theory stems from several lines of scientific inquiry, such as quantum mechanics. In the subatomic world, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This has led to the idea that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into different realities, each representing a possible outcome. Imagine a die being rolled. In our reality, it might land on 5, but in a parallel universe, it could land on 3 or any other number. Each possible outcome creates a new universe. Cosmic inflation. This theory suggests that the universe expanded rapidly after the Big Bang, creating bubbles of space-time that could be parallel universes with their own laws. In this scenario, each bubble is like an independent universe, and our observable universe is just one of these bubbles. Some scientists even believe that collisions between these bubbles could leave traces in our universe that we might detect. The string theory multiverse. String theory proposes the existence of additional dimensions beyond those we can perceive, which could give rise to multiple universes. In these dimensions, the laws of physics could be completely different from ours, creating realities so strange they defy imagination. Each of these theories challenges our traditional idea of reality, opening up the possibility that our universe is just a small part of a much larger picture. Do other you exist in these universes? If the multiverse is real, a fascinating question arises. Could there be alternate versions of each of us living in these other realities? The answer depends on how we interpret the theory. In the quantum multiverse, for example, every decision you make could create a new branch of the universe where a version of you chose something different. Imagine a pivotal moment in your life, a job you accepted, a relationship you ended, or even a day you decided to stay home instead of going out. In a parallel universe, another version of you might have made a different choice and is now living the consequences of that decision. This means there could be infinite versions of you, each experiencing a slightly different life. But there are deeper implications. What does it mean to be you if there are so many versions of yourself? Are we the result of our decisions? Or is there something intrinsic that defines us beyond circumstances? And most intriguingly, if these other versions of us exist, what would they be like? Perhaps there's a version of you who became a great artist, another who is a space explorer, or one who was never born. While the idea of the multiverse is fascinating, it's also important to recognize that, for now, it remains a speculative theory. Science has yet to find direct evidence of parallel universes, but some research might be bringing us closer to an answer. Gravitational waves. Scientists have suggested that certain anomalies in gravitational waves could be signs of other universes interacting with ours. These waves, detected by instruments like LIGO, might contain clues about collisions between multiverse bubbles. Cosmic microwave background radiation. This echo of the Big Bang could contain unusual patterns best explained if our universe had interacted with others. If we find these traces, it could be the first evidence that we're not alone in the multiverse. Quantum experiments. Research conducted in particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider could offer insights into the existence of additional dimensions. If we discover particles behaving in unexpected ways, they could be hints of realities beyond our observable universe. These lines of research are far from providing definitive answers, but they show how scientists are working to solve one of the greatest mysteries of existence. The idea of the multiverse is not only a challenge for science, but also for philosophy. If infinite universes exist, what does that mean for our identity in our decisions? Are we simply one of infinite possibilities? Or do our choices have unique significance within our own reality? If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to join the family of universe. For instance, the possibility of the multiverse could alter our perception of free will. If every possible choice already exists somewhere, are we really making decisions? Or are we merely experiencing one of the many paths already laid out in this vast network of parallel realities? To some, the idea of the multiverse offers comfort. If you fail in this life, there might be another version of you who succeeded. For others, it's a source of unease. If everything is possible, what meaning do our actions hold in this version of the universe? These questions are as profound as they are unsettling, forcing us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. The multiverse in popular culture. The concept of parallel universes has also captured the imagination of writers, filmmakers, and artists. Movies like Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness and Everything Everywhere All at Once explore the implications of interacting with alternate versions of ourselves. Series like Dark and Rick and Morty play with the paradoxes and possibilities that multiverses offer. These stories not only entertain, but also help us visualize complex concepts from science and philosophy. They show us what it might be like to interact with other realities and invite us to reflect on what it truly means to be human in a cosmos so vast and diverse. The fascination with multiverses also invites us to rethink how we perceive reality. If multiverses exist, how would that impact our relationship with science, religion, and our search for meaning? In many ways, the idea of parallel universes challenges traditional narratives about the origin and purpose of the cosmos. Some might see multiverses as confirmation that reality is far more chaotic and unpredictable than we thought, while others could interpret them as evidence of a greater design connecting all possibilities. Furthermore, the notion of multiverses raises ethical and moral questions that we are only beginning to consider. If our actions here and now are just one of infinite possibilities, how does that affect our responsibility in this universe? For example, would making mistakes matter less if somewhere else there's a version of us who got it right? These questions not only challenge us individually, but also as a species, inviting us to rethink our priorities and values in a potentially infinite cosmos. The multiverse theory invites us to dream, to question, and to explore the limits of our understanding of the universe. If other you exist in parallel universes, how would that change the way you live your life? While we don't yet have definitive answers, the mere contemplation of this possibility reminds us of how vast and mysterious the cosmos truly is. More than 75% of people who watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you want to support us, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel so that we continue to grow as a Universo family. Don't forget to leave your like and tell us what you thought of the video. See you next time. See you later.